Someone asks, "How are you?" You say, "I am fine." Every single time, no matter how you actually feel. And it sounds wrong, not because it is grammatically incorrect. It is perfectly correct English. But in real conversation, nobody actually says it. It signals immediately that you are not comfortable in English, even when your grammar is perfect. Today, I'm going to give you 8 responses that fluent English speakers actually use, so you never have to say "I am fine" again. Response number 1. Pretty good, thanks. This is the most natural all-purpose response in English. It works in any situation, formal or casual. Always add thanks at the end to keep it warm and friendly. How to use it? Someone says, "How are you?" You say, "Pretty good, thanks." How about you? Response number 2. Not bad, not bad. The double repeat is the key here. It sounds relaxed and completely authentic. It signals you are doing okay without being too enthusiastic. Very natural in both British and American English. How to use it? How are you doing? Not bad, not bad. Keeping busy. Response number 3. Can't complain. This means things are going well enough. It is slightly humorous. It implies life is good, but you do not want to brag. It sounds confident and natural immediately. How to use it? How's everything? Can't complain. Work is busy but good. Response number 4. Honestly, pretty tired but good. This one sounds real because it is real. Adding an honest detail makes you sound fluent immediately. Native speakers appreciate authenticity over empty politeness. How to use it? How are you? Honestly, pretty tired but good. Long week. You? Response number 5. Getting there. Use this when things are okay but not perfect. It implies progress. It shows you are comfortable enough in English to give a nuanced answer, not just a flat fine. How to use it? How are you holding up getting there? One day at a time. Response number 6 could be worse. A relaxed, slightly humorous response. It means things are okay. Very common in everyday British and American conversation. Sounds natural immediately. How to use it? How's your day going? Could be worse. How about yours? Response number 7. Living the dream. This one is sarcastic or genuinely positive, depending on your tone. If you say it with a smile, it means life is great. If you say it with a tired voice, it means the opposite. And both are funny. Native speakers love this one. How to use it? How are things? Living the dream. How are you? Response number 8. Same old, same old. This means nothing much has changed. Life is normal. Very conversational. Use it when you do not want to say too much, but still want to sound natural and engaged. How to use it? What is new with you? Same old, same old. Nothing exciting. You? Now here is the formula that makes every single one of these responses sound natural. Response plus one small detail plus bounce back. Pretty good, thanks. Work has been busy. How about you? Response plus detail plus bounce back every time. That is the full pattern. One important thing to remember. Most of these responses are casual, for friends, colleagues, and everyday conversation. If you are in a formal or professional setting, stick with pretty good thanks or getting there. Those work everywhere. Now here's how to practice. Step 1. Pick just 2 responses this week. Do not try to memorize all 8 at once. Pretty good, thanks, and not bad, not bad. Use only these two in every English conversation this week until they feel completely automatic. Step 2. Always bounce back. After every response, ask how about you or how are you doing. This keeps the conversation going and makes you sound engaged and natural immediately. Step 3. Say each response out loud 10 times right now. Pretty good, thanks. Not bad, not bad. Can't complain. Getting there. Could be worse. Living the dream, same old, same old. Your mouth needs to learn the rhythm before your brain does. Let us recap. Stop saying I am fine. Start saying pretty good, thanks. Not bad, not bad. Can't complain, honestly, pretty tired, but good. Getting there. Could be worse. Living the dream, same old, same old. You are not fine. You are pretty good. You are getting there. You are living the dream. Sound like it. If this video helped you, subscribe. I post a new English lesson every week. Next time, grammar rules that native speakers break every day, and why knowing when to break them is what makes you sound fluent. See you there?